So let's say I select this profile and we have it set so it stops at 28 grams. Let's change that. I'm doing 16 grams in, so let's do 32. Okay. Okay, so then there's also this, which I think has different numbers. Like water temperature 169 Fahrenheit. That's not what the profile said. Some of these things might coincidentally be the same as the profile I selected. So like, what does it follow? So it should start, for some reason it says 32.1. I don't know. Well, whatever. All right, I think I got my cup in position. It's a little awkward with it being off center, but let's see. Should I rotate the camera? Yeah. Go. And the scale is connected this time. I ground a lot finer. So last time it just flowed way too quick. Look up. Nope. Looking better than last time. It's supposed to stop at 32. And look at that, 32.4 with an extra drip, basically. How's it look? I don't know. Looks like it followed the path it's supposed to go on. I don't know.